Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Virgos for August month. This reading includes your 4 weeks of August. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright Virgos, this is your card this week, that is Strength card. This is definitely you Virgos, that with so much of strength, so much of you're so strong mentally, physically, and there is so much love for you, love in your heart for other people, and you are so much compassionate, so much caring, so much you do so much, in your silence. You are not showing it to people, but you do so much for other people, and this makes you feel really content and happy, and with so much elegance and with so much of love and care. You just see people. So this is your energy this week. Moving towards your first week, that is the Queen of Cups reversed, the Chariot, and the Tower. The Chariot is reversed here. All right, so the first week shows me that as your energy is this week, the strength where you are taking care of other people and thinking about their emotions. So the first week is showing me that it's high time now. You should start thinking about yourself. You should start taking care of your own emotions, because this is not giving you any benefit. Thinking about other people, taking care of them, and thinking about their emotions, this is not giving you anything in return. So that will only, rather, they are making you feel bad about yourself. So now it is time to take charge, and the amount of love and care you show to other people, it's time for you to show it to yourself, because otherwise it is not going to be easy. The things are going to be very tough for you, and and I think you will start doing it by this month, because of this Tower card which is there. I think it is going to be a huge change in yourself. This is going to be a drastic and unexpected change. I think you are going to show the other side of the Virgos, where you are going to be a totally different person, I think, in a good sense, because now you will actually start thinking about yourself. You will actually start caring for your own self, and you will start, because of whatever has happened in past, and what obviously, being a human beings, we expect, and when your expectations are not fulfilled, because you don't expect much, you just expect the basic stuff, and even that is not given to you. So now I think you will start taking charge of your life. So before moving towards the other weeks, please subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. Your second week says the Star card, 10 of Cups and 9 of Pentacles. Look at you Virgos, you are back by second week. Look at you, you are working hard, you are getting what you want, your family is happy, you are having this amazing time with your family, your wishes are coming true, you are self-sufficient, you are independent, you are secured, and you are so happy. Like, everything around you is so good. People love you, you are happy within yourself, you have like everything, all the resources. It is like a happy place for you. The second week is going to be really, really good. Seeing the third week, that is the Magician reversed, 9 of Wands reversed, and 3 of Pentacles. So here also, I guess the third week, you are going to be, as usual, you will be helping others. People will be very, very happy, people will be grateful for your help. You might even do something in collaboration with other people, which is going to give you good rewards, good results. And you might but while doing all these things, because of the past experience, I guess, because you have done so much for people and you did not get the same thing in return, you could be little insecure when you are dealing with people. You could be little scared. You might feel that they are going to trick you. You might feel that they are not showing their true self to you. This could be, but that is going to be in your mind, because you being you are definitely going to help them in whatever way you can, and I think you are going to get good results out of it. I won't say, I cannot say whether the people are going to be good or not, but the result that you are going to get, by helping them or being a part of that team, is going to be really good. So your fourth week says the Hierophant, the Two of Cups, and the High Priestess reversed. So this is showing me that it is amazing. I don't know what to say. It is going to be a good month for you. You are going to be really independent. People are actually going to recognize your worth. You will have the solutions of your problems in your own hand. You will have the key to unlock any wish you really want to. And this is the month of manifestation also, so think good, do good. By the fourth week, your relationship with your loved one, your soulmate, is also going to get okay. You will have mutual love. That person is going to understand you. He's going to love you back the way you wanted, and it is going to be really good. And there could be whatever problems were there in past are going to get resolved. The secrets which were there, whatever was there, whether it is in your mind or it was actually, so all those are going to get revealed. And you might think that whatever I was thinking, or it is not that bad as I thought it to be. So it is all going to be really nice, really good. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. For the detailed reading, see the description box. Good luck, Virgos.